So, welcome back from another part of the world, from Europe to North America. I guess what I learned to say now, it's okay to pass through ups and downs. It's okay sometimes to take time off if you feel you have low energy, if you feel that you're disappointed in someone, if you feel you're tired, you're exhausted, you burn out, you're confused, you don't have a plan, you don't have an exact plan yet. It's okay, I guess it's okay. But what it's not okay is to give up. So whatever was the problem, either it's like a mental illness, bipolar disorder, depression or confusion, didn't know the goals, didn't set the goals. So whatever is the problem, you sit down, you take your time, you pass through your sadness, you pass through your depression. You don't bypass it, you pass totally through it. Understand it, appreciate it, study it, and deal with it. Feel it 100% and deal with it 100%. But don't give up. Don't give up. There's new hope. There's new plan. There's solution for each problem. There's a cure for each mental illness or physical illness, each pain. There is solution for everything. So yeah, take your time, wake up again and show up. And you don't need to know everything. You don't need to have an exact accurate plan for everything, but remember one thing, one step lead to another. The other steps will open different doors. It's okay to change the plan, but it's not okay to give up. That was 3 minutes, but it's worth it. Good Johnson. See you.